Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to add USDT BEP20 or TRC20 to Trust Wallet. Now here's the thing, there are different versions of USDT, so you can add USDT BEP20 or USDT TRC20. First, you have to make sure your app is updated. Go to your Trust Wallet. Now scroll down here and then look for Manage Crypto or tap on the plus icon. And then you have to go to the search bar to find tokens. Now here you have to search for USDT, type USDT in the search box. You will see several options appear like USDT for Ethereum, USDT for BNB, and USDT for TRC20. You just have to enable the one you need. For example, for this tutorial, you have to enable USDT BEP20 and USDT TRC20. And basically, once you have toggled them or you have turned this one on, if you go back, then you should see it is BEP20, USDT BEP20, and USDT TRC20. Now, optionally, in case that if you don't see it listed, you can do it manually. So what you're going to do here is this time you have to look for the plus icon and then you have to add it one by one. So tap on the plus icon right here. Let's just say if you want to add BEP20, you have to add custom token. For network, you have to add BNB, Smart Chain, and then the contract address. Now, so on with the TRC20, you have to tap on Add Custom Network Tron and then look for the contract address. And for the USDT, you have to look for USDT decimal 6 and then tap on Save. And basically, that's it. That's how easy it is to add USDT BEP20 or TRC20 on Trust Wallet. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.